you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have like a YesStyle haul to show you guys, and that's all of this stuff right here. Do you want to know what all this is? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so YesStyle sent me all of these items to show you guys. So thank you so much, YesStyle, for sending me all of these amazing products so I can show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So they sent me a few clothing items to show you some of their clothing items because they have like everything on their website, you guys. They have clothes, shoes, handbags, they have makeup, skincare, everything in between. They have like a little bit of everything on their website. If you haven't checked them out, I will link them down below. They did give me a code, which is SheCrafty, that'll save 5% off on all new customers and 2% off for every returning customer. They have a lot of really good sales all the time with their normal reasonable pricing as well. So if you'd like to check them out and use my code, save a little bit more money, and that'll all be linked down below. They sent me a box of all of these goodies so I can show you guys a little bit of what they have going on and introduce you a little bit to some more products that they have. So there are some clothing items. There's a few other things that I can tell. There looks like a lot of like skincare items in here. So let's just start going through and seeing what's all in here. So since I have never showed you clothing items, let's go ahead and go through that part first. Now, if I can find any of these things from their website, I will throw pictures on the side as I'm showing you guys as well, so you can kind of see the pricing and that kind of thing. So the first thing is this big old sweater right here. And I did see this one on their website, and I believe this is like a one size fits all, and it's meant to be like an oversized full sweater. So let me open it. So once you open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It is very colorful, very different and unique. It is super, super thick and super soft. This would definitely keep you warm, especially in these winter times. And it looks like it would just be very, very comfortable for sure. So here is the very first item. And again, here's a closer look of all the colors. There's like burgundy, teal, blue, yellow, orange, black, very, very colorful. So the next item is right here. Okay, so the next one is like a brownish, rusty kind of color. It's a very pretty color, especially for like the fall, winter time. And it has the long sleeves, and it's like the ribbed material. Very, very nice and soft. And this one does seem kind of thick, but not too thick. I can kind of see through it, but it definitely feels really nice quality. So there's that one. Now, what is this? Oh, okay, so it's like a little, kind of like a lace shirt to wear over or under another type of like a clothing item. So I know I've seen like a lot of times they're wearing like a black tank top or something underneath and then put this over it. And yeah, so it's just like a little sheer long sleeve netted shirt. Like I said, you can wear this over or under another clothing item. So there's that. Now we have like a little headband here. So here is this little headband, and it has like these little pearls all around it. And then the ends are like that. Super cute, you guys. Let's put this on. How cute. So we have a headband. Now we have something in here. It says, "Meet the most beautiful you here." It's called Meet. So this feels like it'd be like a handbag. That's cool that it comes in a little duster. And there we have it. So that's like a cute, small, petite little handbag, especially for like a teen. That would be a perfect size. Or if you just want to toss like your wallet and a few things down in there and go out and not have a huge, big, clunky purse. It does have this to cover the buckle, and it is adjustable, so you can lower the handles down more if you would like. And then the inside has a little pocket here, and then it's just all open, and then there's a little zipper to close it right there. So it's super cute. Again, it's really small, but That is really neat, and this is like an example of some of the bags that they do have, and they have several different types, colors, styles, all of that. And that's really cool that it, like I said, it comes in a little duster bag. Okay, so now let's go through these products right here. This one's like in a little box set, so we'll go with this first. And this says that it's a mini set 3-piece. It looks like it's gonna come with a low pH pore deep cleansing foam, a essence toner, and a cream. So when you open it up, that is the 3-piece set right there. So here would be the low pH deep cleansing foam. That's a good size for a cleansing foam too, especially if you're gonna be trying it out. It's a cobalt blue plastic bottle, and that has the toner in it. But that is just super cute. I can't wait to try the toner. And then this one is the cream. So that's cool that you get a 3-step. You can cleanse your face, you can use the toner, and then put on the cream afterwards. So there's a 3-piece set. So now let's go ahead and figure out what is all inside here. You guys, there's so many things in here. I'm so excited to show you guys everything. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna be pulling out, it says, what are you? Only 12 ingredients, but with moisturizing effect. And it says Relief Moisture Cream. I love any type of like skincare moisturizing creams, so I love getting these. There's a cute little spoon on the lid right there for you to use. So there's that. Pull that up. Ooh, that's nice and creamy. It kind of has a slight clean scent to it, but it's completely full, you guys. Yeah, it has like a nice, clean, kind of refreshing scent to it. Nothing too overpowering, nothing too strong, just very nice and clean smelling. So I'm gonna love that. Ooh, you guys, these are like some earrings that almost match this little headband here. So in here, let me show you these. So here is a set of earrings. So let me show you what this would look like. And there they are. That is really cute, especially with the little headband, so that it's like matching. Super cute. So there's some earrings. Okay, and then here is a Collagen Ampule. Again, skincare, I'm loving. This is a 30 ml. It's a nice package. It does have a safety seal on it. So this is from the Skin House. And again, that's what it looks like. Let's get some of it out. Yeah, it is a super clear. These are the type of serums that I love. So there's that. Now we have, this one says Veil-like lipstick. Holika? What? There's that. Let's see. That's what the packaging looks like. And, ooh, that is a really pretty color. Ooh, let's see here. Okay, so you know, it's not like very, very pigmented. It's more of kind of like a light color on a sheer, almost like a lip gloss. So it's not gonna give you like full bright, like, oh my gosh, pigmented color. It's a nice light reddish color. So that's actually pretty. And I like that it's not gonna be like super, super bright. So let's see what this color would look like. Kind of is more of like a burnt orangish color on, but it's not too dark. I think it's kind of pretty. Okay, so then the next item is right here. That's the packaging, and it has their sticker over it, so I can't really read what it says. Airfit Velvet is what it looks like it says underneath. And there's the packaging. The lid is like a lavender purple color. It's really pretty. Matches the box. And then on the inside, we have, oh, this is definitely darker. It's this one right here. So let's see what this one would look like. There's this one. This one's kind of like a little clumpy. Even when I put it on my hand, it looked a little clumpy going on, but once you put it on and kind of like mix it around, it gets a little better. But there's that color right there. Okay guys, there's a few more items. The next one is in this little box. Is this another lip product? It says Beauty by Peach. Champagne eye glitter. Okay, so here's the packaging. Champagne eye glitter. It's in the color of 03 Rose Coral. Ooh, that's what that looks like. It definitely looks like a rose gold. It's on this little like doe foot applicator. Okay, so this one would just leave glitter like that on your eye. So if you wanted to put a little bit of glitter somewhere, this would be apparently eye safe because it's made for your eyes. And it's an eye glitter in Rose Coral. Super cute packaging too. It's all tiny and little. All right, so there's 2 more products. Ooh, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is that same brand, the Holika, or however it says. This is a New Drop eyeshadow palette. Here's the packaging. So it looks like a 4-quad. Let me take off the seal. And there is the inside. There's the 4 colors. Very pretty colors, and I can see like a whole eye look being done with just these 4 colors. And let me go ahead and show you what it looks like swatched. Okay, so there are the 4 colors. The one in between those 2 pink colors right here, that's more like that white color. So it doesn't really show up on my hand as much, but there are the 4 colors. I think it's very pretty. And this little glitter guy would actually probably look really cute with it with the same color scheme. So there's that. And then there's one more palette in here, you guys. This one's even bigger. This is the same brand. And this one says Terrazzo Shadow Palette. Let's see what's inside this one. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And then when you open it up, oh, this is really pretty. So this little 4-quad kind of looks very similar to this one, just this is like maybe its bigger sister. This one does have a mirror on the bottom, and those colors are really, really pretty. That could definitely be like an everyday look. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Ha 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 ha. What? That is gorgeous. Look at that. Let's see what this one down here looks like. I'll go right next to it. That's so pretty. That's like a champagne, peachy, rose goldish color, and the other one's more of like a silver. Those 2 are stunning colors. Let me go ahead and grab like a few other colors from here. I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 to show these colors. I'm just gonna stick them on my wrist. Ooh. Now this one seems way more creamier, way more pigmented than the 4 shaded one, the 4-quad one. Look at those 4 colors down there. But those are really pretty colors. I like this palette, you guys. And this one definitely, you can use one complete look because you have the lighter colors. You have some browns, some of like the pinkish mauves. And oh, these are stunning. These colors right here with that bright shininess. Oh, wow. I love that. So there's another palette. I'm so glad that they sent such a huge variety so you guys can see a lot of different things and products that they have to offer. So that's super, super neat. Thank you so much, YesStyle, for sending me all of these products. I greatly do appreciate it. This is so cool to see all of this stuff, you guys. So a quick recap of all of the stuff that they had sent to me. We have 2 different palettes. We have an eye glitter for like your eyeshadow, a face glitter. You have 2 different lip products. You have a face ampule, you have a face cream. There's these earrings, a headband. There's a 3-piece cleansing, toning, and moisturizing set. You have a really cute little dainty purse. I think that'd be so cute, especially for kids, preteens, that kind of thing. And then there's the clothing items, which there's this, and this, you guys. Ooh, that is a lot of stuff. Go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of the products that they had sent to me? Have you purchased anything or gone to YesStyle to check out what they have? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. Now, again, I do have that SheCrafty code to get you 5% for new customers, 2 for reoccurring customers. If you do want to save a little bit more money, I will link them down below. You can definitely check out their site and see all of the cool things that they have to offer. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.